can't have you over to my place because I would have to ask my house mom first, so.
Oh, I'm so excited. The library's open till 3 a.m., so I could stay there the entire night and I can walk home alone afterwards.
I know it's cold, but Thursday night of Rush is formal night.
Yes, Safe Ride won't take you out that far, but we'll take you like 2 blocks from there and you can walk the rest of the way.
I tried calling Searle, but they weren't open.
No, don't tell the RA that she's drunk. I know she went home with him, but she'll get written up if you tell.
Northwestern will pay for your shape shirts, but they can't have the word sex anywhere on them.
All right, you guys, next up is Abby. Abby comes with 2 free tickets to the baseball game. Can I have $40? $40? $50?
Yes, I'm completely outraged. No, my student is a freshman at your school right now, and I just read something about a fuck saw.
After this fucksaw incident, we have decided that there will be no more human sexuality class taught at the school.
DailyNorthwestern.com. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Hottest outfits to wear to your night out on a Saturday.
I'm bored. I guess I'll just go on college ACB and just look at things.
What do you mean I'm out of appointments? If they're run out, there's a limit?
There's about a 3-month-long wait list for CAP services, but we can refer you to somewhere else. You'll just have to pay.
You can go downtown to Howard Brown to get tested for STDs for free, but here on campus you're gonna have to pay a small sum of about $100.
Are you sure I can get into the keg? Like, this ID is really bad. They'll let me in because I'm a girl? That's it, okay. Oh, no, there are condoms available in the dorms. It's just, you have to ask your CA or your RA, I don't know what they're called anymore. You have to ask that person for them. You might not know them that well, but no, they have them. They're stashed away, it's fine.
Oh, are you living in the Virgin Vault this year?
Actually, I live in Hull House.
So that concludes today's lecture on Chapter 7. Hope you guys have a great Dillo day. Don't get into too much trouble now.
Oh man, I'm so sorry. I heard all the guys at Jones are gay.
Comprehensive sex education for college? No, you all got that in high school.
there's no actual definition of what Northwestern considers consent, but we do take a very strong stand against sexual violence.
Drunk partners can't consent.
Awesome.